हम मिल रहेंगे एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग सिंगर से. शी इज़ अ लवली लेडी. शी इज़ बिन ऑन अ शो बिफोर बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमें इतना ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिला उनके साथ. एंड यू नो शी इज़ नॉट जस्ट अ सिंगर, शी इज़ अ कॉर्पोरेट बैंकर एज वेल. लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस हर टू यू. हर नेम इज़ समरा खान. शी स्टार्टेड सिंगिंग एट द एज ऑफ 9 और उनको एक करियर ब्रेक बेसिकली मिला था व्हेन शी एक्चुअली परफॉर्म्ड एट कोक स्टूडियो सीजन 8. उनके हिना की खुशबू जैसे कुछ गाने विद आसिम अजहर एंड यू नो मेनी OSTs as well. One of them are actually some of my favorites as well. I often keep checking her Instagram stories and you know I keep messaging her and sending her feedback as well कि ये गाना बहुत अच्छा है. When you come to the show you must sing this one, and I also made a request to her the minute she came as well. So you know let me introduce her to the show up here. We'll get into the nitty-gritty of it. Welcome to the show, Samra.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Okay, so Samra, you know, since I've been stalking you on Instagram anyway, since I've been messaging you on your stories, abhi recently आपने एक performance किया था at ACP as well when you were there, right, at the Arts Council, and I thought it was so nice and so beautiful because you know you were singing and the song was really beautiful as well. So how were you feeling, you know, as with the passage of time आपको लग रहा है कि you know you'll now be releasing something new as well, right? You were telling us about it. So आपको लग रहा है कि your musical journey is getting better, it has evolved further. How are you managing? Kabhi you're in Dubai, kabhi you're in Karachi. How is it that you're still working on your craft and on your day job as well? How do you manage this?
Oh, it's a lot of questions, but yeah, I think the gist of it is that yes, I think that I'm restarting my journey as a singer. मुझे लगता है कि I've kind of achieved a lot in terms of my personal life. You know, I have a family life. I have a banking career, and I feel like I'm at a decent plateau of that career path.
Okay.
But yeah, singing is something जो कि मैं बचपन से I was very passionate about it. I started it off, and then for my other priorities मैंने उसको रोक दिया था. Now I am restarting, but you know the time is a little bit different to when I had started before. So now music is very different. And the performance you mentioned at Arts Council, it was you know one of those opportunities.
Very intimate ones as well.
Yeah.
It wasn't too intense.
No, it wasn't, and it was very. It was part of this huge cultural festival that was going on.
We covered it.
And I was very happy to be part of that. And then you know you have as an artist, I had the opportunity to sing all sorts of songs. So, you know, I did some old classic songs, I did some new songs. So all the projects that I've been doing over the last few years, in and out of Karachi, I got to kind of sing it again in front of a crowd of I think 1,000 or 2,000 people. So it was really nice. But yeah, I think it आपको encouragement मिलती है that I want to do more, and now I want to work on more original
stuff. So Samra, you know, interesting question, because now when you come back after a while, you said कि मेरी ज़िंदगी में priorities आई, and I took a hiatus, and then you kind of have come back to it. Now that you've re-entered the music scene has changed. अब हम देखते हैं Gen Z, Gen Alpha type music, so we're really into hip hop music as well, and we're into stuff. I mean, with all due respect, वो you know, even if it's you know young stunners or Hassan Rahim and all, these are people जो कि वो उनका self expression है, right? पुराने ज़माने में very melodious songs we used to have, बड़े मायने वाले lyrics होते थे. अब आपको लग रहा होता है काफ़ी दफ़ा, like my mom says कि hip hop गानों में तो मुझे लग रहा है वो आपस में एक दूसरे से लड़ रहे हैं. You know, she says that to me all the time कि तुम hip hop क्यों सुनती हो, मुझे लगता है लड़ रहे हैं आपस में. But that is their self expression. How are you handling this? How do you manage? Do you like it कि मैं collaborate करूँ कभी इस तरह artist के साथ?
Honestly, मुझे लगता है even जब हम छोटे थे, उस वक्त भी ऐसे गाने थे जो हमें समझ में नहीं आते थे. But I think majority it was a very limited scene. अब जो मैं देख रही हूँ, yes, there is a lot of different kind of genre that Pakistani music is exposed to. पहले शायद नहीं होता था इतना ज़्यादा. I think rapping and all that पहले कहाँ होती थी?
पहले तो we had Cinderella, and you know Sajad Ali.
Yeah, exactly.
Sajad Ali.
I think the only person I remember is probably Fakhre Alam, who used to do a little bit of rapping. But like you rightly said, it's an expression, so each to their own. Whatever people kind of connect to.
What's your expression? What would you say is my core? Okay, you know, a song when you started Coke Studio season 8, say. भी आपने जो latest गाना जिस पे अभी काम कर रहे हो, let's say, right? You were telling me about something. How is it different from what when you started?
So I think I'm still really exploring what is my
genre.
What is my I cannot even say genre because my forte. But I think as a singer, I feel I could like to do something that's very soulful, maybe semi-classical. I'm not a trained vocalist. I always tell everyone कि मैंने कोई training नहीं ली है इसकी, तो मैं बिल्कुल भी
You're a
credit नहीं
natural,
ले सकती.
basically.
So I think whatever it is, it's God gifted, alhamdulillah. But I'm still exploring. So like yesterday, I was recording something which is very Gen Z and modern and a little bit of Afro kind of beat to it and house music. Even I didn't know I could connect to it. Wow. So when I started doing it, when I started composing it, I was like, yeah. So I was working with a.
Will you sing some for us, a jingle for us in a while, just to see how?
I will sing something for you, but maybe not this as yet, because it's still very, very early.
Very early.
And then the other project, which inshallah I'm planning to release early Jan, is something extremely soulful, very, very meaningful lyrics. It's something that comes from my heart, and it's got a lot of vulnerability to it as well. So I think I'm doing everything, but I still connect to all of it at some level. So yeah,
the soulful part of you is basically what really keeps you alive.
Yeah.
Amazing. Acha, so how is it that, do you feel like as if this industry is now more accepting of women as well? आपको लग रहा है कि जब से आपने basically industry में पहले गाना गाया था और उसके बाद अब जब आप re-enter, now that you've re-entered the scene, do you feel like as if बहुत ज़्यादा और acceptability आई है? There's some brilliant female artists we see nowadays.
Yeah, I think I personally didn't have any issues, to be honest. मैं इतना ज़्यादा थी भी नहीं industry scene में. But I think, yes, now I see some really beautiful, wonderful female artists, and it makes me so proud.
Yeah.
Because I think काफ़ी young लड़कियां हैं जो कि they're going on really big platforms and performing. अभी दुबई में there was a huge concert, and I was just happy. छोटे बच्चों से लेके बड़ी एज की ख़वातीन, they were all performing, and I was just like proud to be Pakistani. I was like, yes, finally we are out there and singing and performing in front of a huge crowd coming from all around the world. So I just felt happy, and I think yes, हमारी society में है, but I still think there's a lot of challenges still. And I think us women just need to condition ourselves a little bit more and be a little bit more confident and vigilant and whatever, all those things. Because you can achieve anything you want to.
So let's say अगर हमारी audience में अभी there are some girls who want to get into singing. So what would you say to them? What would your first advice be? अगर वो mums हैं and you are too, and अगर उनके careers हैं, तो वो किस तरीके से, how do you make time? How do you make time for your craft?
So I don't know whether it's being a Virgo that helps.
Could be as well.
नहीं, but I think time निकालना पड़ता है. Everybody has the same amount. मैं सबको ये कहती हूँ. Everybody has, सबके पास 24 घंटे हैं दिन के. How you use it is up to you. I also waste time, I feel. मैं वो in reels पे और इस पे काफ़ी time निकालती हूँ. But
that's not really wasting time. आप अपने आप को inspire ही कर रहे हो तो.
हाँ, कभी-कभी inspire कर रहे हो, कभी-कभी आप हंस रहे होते randomly या just random stuff. But I do really try to take out at least 1 to 2 hours a day for myself. It could be anything. Whether sometimes you might see I'm cooking stuff as well because I love cooking. Sometimes I'm just sitting in my studio. I've created a small studio, and I just start recording stuff. So my advice to all the women and girls is that if you really love doing something, take out time for it. There's always a way to take out time for it, and just block out everything.
Everything else, guys. You need to make your passion your priority, because यही एक चीज़ है जिससे आपको वो inner glow और inner happiness मिलती है. I don't think a 9 to 5 really does that for anyone. Samra, on that note, मैं काविश के साथ जो आपने अभी गाना बनाया है, बात अनकही. So can you share that experience with me? कि क्या emotion, क्या sentiment चल रहा था? How do you feel about that song? Generally, and Kavish as well, working with Kavish.
Yeah, so Kavish, of course, Jafar is a friend of mine, जो मेरा college से he's मेरा friend है.
Oh, lovely.
And उस वक्त से हम लोग music साथ करते हैं. Of course, वो कहीं ज़्यादा experienced है, and he's काफ़ी उसने काम किया है. बात अनकही काफ़ी लोगों को नहीं पता कि ये गाना actually बना था 4-5 साल पहले एक ड्रामे के लिए. एक OST था जो जाफर ने बनाया था. और जाफर ने कहा कि यार एक गाना है and I want you to sing it for me, and I was like, of course I would love to. मैं तो कब से पीछे पड़ी थी कि let's do some more music together. And then at that time उस वक्त वो इतना गाना इतना ज़्यादा नहीं सुना गया.
अच्छा.
But recently, as this Kavish frenzy came on, people had started, and then I started getting messages that हम आपको कब से सुन रहे हैं, 6 साल से सुन रहे हैं. I'm like, really 6 साल से सुन रहे हैं, क्या सुन रहे हैं? And they said बात अनकही. And then I was like, oh my God, you know, it's
lovely.
There was a niche always there, Kavish niche, or you know, our kind of soulful music niche. So the story, of course, behind the song is you know, love, expression. It's a dialogue, which is the beauty of Kavish के ज़्यादातर गाने जो है ना वो एक dialogue है, एक लड़के और लड़की के बीच में और expression of love है. So हाँ, I think that I'm happy to be part of it, and फिर उसके बाद when I got to perform it in September कराची में, वो भी एक surprise था. काविश का जो एक craze था, लोग जो है crowd जो है वो बिल्कुल पागल crazy हो गई थी when they saw, because my entry was a surprise. They were not expecting it, and then सब ऐसे मेरा नाम ले रहे थे, तो मेरे लिए it was like, oh my God, is this really happening? क्योंकि ये मेरी पहली कराची की performance थी, पहली concert की performance थी for my own song.
Yeah.
So it was something else.
I can imagine. I mean, and to say that he's a childhood friend of yours as well, right?
Yes, yes.
So I'm pretty sure the sentiments that rose were so beautiful as well. But you know, I would really love it if you could sing it for us a little bit, कि ताकि जिस audience में जिन लोगों ने नहीं सुना, अभी भी अगर नहीं सुना, तो सुन ले.
Sing my part.
All right.
तेरे प्यार में, इंतजार में, खुद को फना मैं कर गई. हो चाहते मेरी तुझसे ही थी, पर अब वो बातें ना रही. हो जा के आई वापस यहीं पे, रह ना सकी मैं बिन तेरे. खुशियाँ भी रूठी, सपने भी टूटे, साथ रहा ना तू मेरे.
Beautiful, beautiful. And I think this is the exact song that I was actually listening to on the stories as well when you had posted.
Okay.
And you know, it's such a melodious and such a beautiful song, very soulful song.
Yeah.
I love it. Acha, so what about Hina Ki Khushboo as well? How would you compare different songs to this song specifically? If you had to pick, I know it's a bit hard, if you had to pick one favorite song of yours that you love to sing anytime, while cooking, while cleaning, whatever, what is that default song that comes out?
There's a lot of songs, to be honest, but if you're asking about my own song, Baat An Kahi.
Baat Kan Kahi?
Baat An Kahi. And so Hina Ki Khushboo is a rendition. Madam Noor Jahan ka ek original गाना था, जो जिसकी वजह से, you know, I started getting fame, Coke Studio में. Of course, मैं उस level पे कभी नहीं पहुंच सकती Madam Noor Jahan के. तो even the opportunity के I got to sing that song मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा था. Asim Azhar made it fun because वो अपना element लेके आए थे उस गाने में. So it was like a very fusion, you know, वो अपना था सोनिया, मन कहना and all that. So it was fun. But उस वक्त जो है मेरे लिए everything was so new. उस वक्त I didn't know कि what was happening. But if you ask me today, I prefer कि मैं मेरे अपने गाने, original गाने जो हैं, I like to do that. So yeah, Baat An Kahi हो गया, Faasile हो गया. I love that song as well. So yeah, I usually hum that song.
Really? How lovely. Okay, and do you feel like as if, you know, you want to try something a little out of the box now? Are we expecting something out of the box now?
Yes, you are.
Really? It's going to be something very different from your soulful stuff usually?
I think, yeah, it will be different क्योंकि थोड़ी सी उसमें beat होगी, थोड़ा कुछ afro, कुछ not.
Nice.
I would not.
Are you going to be jamming and rapping as well?
No, I don't think I can jam or rap at all. वो नहीं कर सकती मैं. But I think like I'll use my voice because I have a very bassy voice थोड़ी, तो I'll use that. लेकिन थोड़ा सा I think आजकल की generation के हिसाब से, because you know थोड़ा सा आपको market के हिसाब से you have to work like that. So because I'm still exploring कि मतलब मैं ये मेरा sound क्या है, ये अच्छा है, ये
What genre do you enjoy वैसे? Yourself?
So I personally, I depend करता है. I enjoy everything. But I think what I resonate more with is maybe semi-classical, थोड़ा बहुत pop. You know, हम सब, you know, हम बड़े हुए हैं, you know, Vital Signs को सुन के, even राहत फ़तेह अली खान, आतिफ असलम को सुन के, you know, सारे melodious गाने हम सब.
And love songs as well.
Yeah,
these are mostly
love songs. Yes, love songs, sad songs. I don't know हम इतने sad songs क्यों? मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है sad songs. मेरा दिल नहीं दुखा हुआ, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. But I still love sad songs.
Do you ever get to hear that? कि you know, you sing a lot of dukhi songs. तो क्या गम लगा हुआ है ज़िंदगी में?
All the time. All the time. So even like, you know, मैं कोई गाना जैसे I'm writing a lot of songs now. But automatically I start writing about heartbreak और दिल दुखा और तुम चले गए तो क्या हुआ. But I don't know, it's just natural. मैं क्या करूँ मतलब और फिर मुझे आसपास मुझे लोग कहते हैं फैमिली में फ्रेंड्स में कि ऐसा क्या हुआ है तुम्हारे साथ
क्या किया मियां ने
तुम तो बड़ी खुश लगती हो मैंने कहा मैं खुश हूँ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बट गाने ऐसे ही अब I don't know, it just comes from within.
I love that though, which you know it's amazing how you can channel up. कितने लोग सुनते होंगे तो उनको दिल में कितना सुकून मिलता होगा. You know गाने बनाना एक कला है actually. अगर मैं I was telling you the same thing as well कि जब Taylor Swift के lyrics लोग rendition कर रहे होते हैं बाकायदा because there's so many girls who heal when they sing along these songs, right? अच्छा, and while talking about this, who writes your lyrics? क्या process होता है? How do you do the songwriting कैसे होती है? Where do you inspire yourself from?
So it's I've just started writing my own songs. मैं पिछले 6 महीने से मुझे भी नहीं पता था कि मेरे अंदर ये छोटा सा टैलेंट है. तो बिकॉज मैं मुझे कोई शर्म नहीं है कहने में कि मतलब मैंने कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं ली हुई, कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट मैं नहीं बजा सकती प्रॉपरली, मैं सिर्फ गा सकती हूँ लेकिन मुझे सेंस है स्केल की और उसकी.
But some people are naturals.
Yeah,
so I think we put a lot of you know credit on the fact that oh I must train and I must go for
now I don't. Because because जब मैंने थोड़ा टाइम निकालना शुरू किया, so let's say एक दिन I was feeling a bit vulnerable, थोड़ा सा मूड मेरा अजीब सा था, कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखी हुई थी मैंने I think जो दुनिया में हो रहा है लोगों के साथ. I just sat down. एक कोई बीट मैंने मेरे उस पर थी तो मैं सुन रही थी और साथ साथ यू नो मैंने एक गुनगुनाना शुरू कर दिया. तो मेरे पास माइक है, सिस्टम है, सो मैंने एक ट्यून बनाई. फिर उसके बाद मैंने कहा कि अच्छा चलो, फिर मैंने लिखना शुरू किया. और आई थिंक मैं थोड़ी ओल्ड स्कूल में, मुझे हाथ से ऐसी उर्दू में लिखना लिरिक्स अच्छा लगा, सो ऐसे मैंने लिखना शुरू किया कि यू नो दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है या किसके साथ ये वो. एंड देन within 2 hours I had a song.
Wow, how lovely.
And even I did not know that I could do that. फिर मैंने कहा यार मुझे तो अच्छा लग रहा है, शायद मेरा गाना है इसलिए. तो मैंने घर में सुनाया, मैंने अपनी फैमिली में सुनाया, मैंने इवन अपनी बेटी को सुनाया. And then they were like, did you write this? Did you do this?
Wow, they were
I
your
did.
potential.
मैंने कहा
show them, girl.
मैंने कहा मुझे भी शक है अपने पे और दूसरों को भी शक है. मैंने कहा हाँ ये मेरा ही है. तो तो that's what I want to tell everyone कि don't doubt yourself. आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो, सिर्फ टाइम निकालो, थोड़ा सा अपने इंस्टिंक्ट को यूज़ करो, पैशन को यूज़ करो, you can.